Ito ang alternative sa hard work na mas mabilis magdala ng pera.
Kaya naman pala hirap ka sa pera kasi ang paniwala mo, you need to work hard for money. I'm not disrespecting that belief system. However, I have an alternative that I'll share with you. I call it joy work. So why not? Diba? While you're doing the things that you are doing, put in joy there. You may not like your position, you may not like your business, but here's the thing. That's an opportunity for you to show how great you are by making sure that you're putting in joy in whatever you do. When I was starting my career, actually, hindi yung dream job yung nakuha ko, kung hindi yung ano lang yung available sa akin, that is a janitor / promodizer. And yan lang yung meron ako eh. So what I did was just to put in joy, to put in fun, to put in excitement instead of complaining and criticizing the work, because that's the only one thing I have. And therefore, my invitation for you is whatever job you have, whatever business you have, yes, mahirap siya, pero nagiging mas mahirap siya kung puro ka angal at nakafocus ka sa hirap. But look at joy. Joy is not happiness. Happiness kasi masaya ka kasi may natatanggap ka, may nakikita ka na gusto mo sa labas, pero hindi siya permanent, hindi siya automatic. Joy here is no matter what, I'm being blessed by this business, I'm being blessed by this job. Therefore, I'll just put in joy, because again, when you have joy, when you have great energy, your fun will fuel you to be more creative, to grow, to expand, and then more money will come for you. Sabi ko nga, do what you love. Kaso lang, if what you love will not bring you money, love what you do. And that is where I would love to say that when you are now starting to be joyful, to be excited, to grow and expand yourself, that's where true money comes in. That's where true wealth. And wealth is all about not just money, but wealth is all about you understanding that when you have the general well-being, you're happy, you're excited. And if money is what you want, it is on its way. I dare you to show up every day joyful no matter what.